Hey tuners, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay and I have a surprise for you. We have the newest addition to the rig, the box. But guess what? There's cool things in the box that you can get out and install as well, like the Halo AC. So first things first, of course, we're gonna be opening the hood, and we're also going to uninstall my old lights so we can make room for the new lights. Assembling of these lights is pretty easy. So just grab your light, you kind of put your bracket there, you hand tight the fixed screw on both sides, like so, and then on the second hole right here, you will put another one and you hand tie it as well. By the way, you will put the washer, pressure washer, and then fit it there. Or like I said, just hand tight it so you still have that movement and you can adjust. And also, before I forgot, you might also want to fit your big screw into the base. Just fit it there so it will be easier for you once you're installing it. You just need the bare screw. And once you have your mounting point ready, we can just go ahead and install it. You'll be using one nut, one washer, and one split washer, so you can tighten it up. Lights up. So this is how they're supposed to be looking. Good. And we're gonna go ahead and do our wiring. We're gonna install the wire harness. I'm gonna install it just the way it goes so you guys can see how it's supposed to be installed. After that, I'm gonna do my own wiring, which is a little more complicated because I tend to trim excess wires, solder, do a bunch of other things. But I'm gonna do this for you guys just the way it comes. Alright, so you can see it. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my cold air intake to make it easier for me. You guys don't really have to, it's just that I have inner fenders and I have a bunch of other stuff on the way, so it's more difficult for me. That's why I'm removing the cold air intake. Yeah, now we see all this space here where the air intake was, so it's gonna be pretty much piece of cake to feed the wires through here to this area. So you're just gonna hook up your red wire. Your positive and on your battery, and then you're gonna hook up your negative wire or your ground to the negative side of your battery. Obviously all this wiring is not gonna stay like this. I'm gonna be fixing it, but after all this, you just need to make sure they are working. Once you have power here, so now you can access the different modes. Got your red, you got your white. And this is how you install the Halos SE series. Order yours from Novsight. Hey Novsight, turn on channel 1.